This effect tends to work best with photos with vivid colors, sky, grass, and etc. This is the photo we will be using. The following steps are for this photo. Remember to experiment, as each photo is unique. Once you've opened your photo, go to Colors, Brightness, Contrast and set the contrast to +20. Next, go to Colors, Hue and Saturation. Now go to Colors, Curves, select Red from the Channels drop-down and adjust the curves. Next, adjust the Green channel. And the Blue channel. Click OK and go to Colors, Hue, Saturation again. Next, create a new layer. Set its opacity to about 50%. Select the Eclipse Select tool and draw a selection that covers your entire canvas. Select Feather by 150 pixels. Fill your selection with black. To give your photo a pinkish tone, associated with the sunburn of old photos, create a new layer, set its opacity to about 8% and fill it with a very vivid magenta.